Right, welcome back everyone. This video I'm gonna put a new oil seal, crankcase oil seal, I'm not actually sure what that's for. I think that's to guide it on, I'm guessing. Right, yeah, anyway, we're going to put a new crank oil seal on the back of the engine and check out the clutch while we're there as well. So, move the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bolts of the clutch. I'm hoping this clutch is alright. I really don't want any more expense. We'll find out in a minute. Right, so it's going to pull off nicely, was it? It's not too, I don't know. Oh, that's a pain. Yeah, there's not a vast amount. Yeah, it's scored there as well. That's not good then, is it? Looks like it's all scoring on there. Flywheel feels alright. I don't think that should be loose like that neither, should it? Nice, get another one of them as well. God's sake, that's been spinning in there, hasn't it? Yep, so new clutch. Oh, I was hoping I could sort this out so I can get it back in, but that's not going to be yet because I can't afford another clutch at the minute. Maybe get one at the end of the month. Right, I've got to knock back these lock tabs. Hopefully you can see, because I can't see very well. Might be a bit better. Do, 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 do. Right, there's a lot of dust in there. Don't do that. Hopefully it's not. Anyway, right, what size is that? Around 3/4. Yeah. Always likes to give the top, even though I've bent them over, always gives it a little, because then it pushes them down flat. hopefully this is man enough to undo this. Obviously I'll be talking back up when I'm doing back up, but I will mark that as well. Or won't. I would if the pen worked anyway. We've got another pen of something. I don't think it matter, but oh, a pen that worked would be really good. Alright, no, I don't think it matters anyway. Oh. Right, that's that off of there. You can see the bottom there was still there. It wasn't leaking or anything, but it just seems daft if it's out not to have a look. And once again, knock all the lock tabs over. And then we'll whiz them out. And then that's that off. Now comes the fun bit. Let's see how easy this. Ah, that's right. There you go, just pop it out. Just like that. And then watch all the oil run out of it. See, I don't really understand what the point of that is. That going there like that. I use a bit of that oil. Oh, that's what I'll get it same time. You got it. I'm still just not very happy about that. Yeah, I think we'll have to get a new one of them. You can actually see a lip on it. Anyone come across that before? Right, well I don't know. Anyway, we'll get another one of them and we'll get a clutch. We can stick the flywheel back on. I was aiming to do the whole job in one hit, but that's not happening. Yeah, rubber's shagged as well. Nice. That's all fell apart as well. But I've got another engine there, so have a look, see what that one's like. So I think we'll put that back on, because we can do that with this on. So yeah, right. Oh, I bet you was all wondering how long it was. Because it's just gone back on where it was anyway. Because I only just took it off. Right, I'm going to find my torque wrench, look up in my book, see what the spec is, and then we'll torque them up. Right, so I've got my Ames book, and I just saw it and now I can't see it. Clutch to flywheel securing bolts, see, 40, I thought it would have been higher than that, but there you go, that's what it says. We don't want to stretch them, so 40 it is. Right, now where we put the torque wrench down. Right, let's get a screwdriver or something, a big screwdriver. Get a big screwdriver and then we can hold that in there. So we go opposites. Oh, that didn't go very well, did it? This is really cack-handed. They're really not very tight at all, are they? I'd only just nip them up with a gun as well. after I've done some opposite, it always goes round. See how I moved a little bit. It all moved a tiny bit. Right, that's how we've been round once. Right. That's it really, I can't really go any further. So we need a new clutch and a new spigot bush. Hopefully it goes in tight when it does go in, because that's been spinning in there. Although that does see, so I think we'll be alright. I think it'll be alright. Right, yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. So till next time, see you later.